In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to divide a page in Notion. If you've ever wanted to organize information into clear sections and columns, this walkthrough will show you the simplest, most reliable ways to do it. We'll use Notion's built-in slash commands and a bit of drag and drop so you can split content horizontally and vertically for a cleaner, more scannable page. Let's start with a quick horizontal break. Click into your page where you want a visual separator. Type /div and press enter. Notion will instantly insert a thin horizontal line, also called a divider. This is perfect for breaking your page into sections, like separating an overview from details or drawing a line between different topics. If you are new to slash commands, think of them as shortcuts. Type the slash, start entering the command, and Notion suggests the block you want. Confirm it with enter, and you are done. Next, let's create side-by-side content by turning blocks into columns using drag and drop. Hover to the left of any block until you see the 6-dot handle appear. Click and hold that icon, then slowly drag the block to the far right edge of another block. Keep going until you see a vertical blue line appear. This blue line is your cue that Notion is about to create a new column. Release your mouse and your block will snap into place as a column to the right. This is great for placing text next to images, checklists next to notes, or any layout where you want information to be compared or referenced quickly. If the blue line doesn't appear at first, move a little more to the edge and try again. The visual feedback is key. If you want to build a multi-column layout instantly, use Notion's column templates. Type /2 or /3 and press enter to create a ready-made 2 or 3 column structure. You can continue with /4 and beyond as needed. Once the layout appears, click into each column to start typing or drag existing blocks into place, using the same 6-dot handle. Finally, for a vertical separator between columns, use the quote block. Click where you want the divider. Type /quote and press enter. Then press Shift+Enter to add line breaks inside the quote block, extending it vertically. This creates a clean, subtle bar that visually separates your columns without adding extra content. And that's it, simple, flexible ways to divide your Notion page for better structure and readability. Thanks for watching.